Today also we are going to learn more nouns. Honey, me penny, me penny, me penny. Meat, mus, mus. Rice, but, or, hal. Sand, valley. Hair, kiss, or, konde. Air, hulang. Fish, malua, maluo, malu. Again, me penny, miyanu, payanu, niyanu, me penny. Mas, mayanu, alsayanu, mas. But, bayanu, haltayanu, but. Hayanu, allayanu, hay. Valley, vayanu, liyanu, valley. Kiss, kayanu, halsayanu, kiss. Koyanu, alnayanu, dayanu, yayanu, konde. Hulang, huyanu, layanu, alnayanu, hulang. Malua, mayanu, luyanu, vayanu, malua. Maluwo, mayanu, luyanu, voyanu. Malu, mayanu, luyanu, malu. Honey, me penny. Meat, mus. Rice, but, or, hard. Sand, valley. Hair, kiss, or, konde. Air, hulang, or, water. Fish, malua, maluo, malu. Nouns. Today your lesson is over. Thank you very much. See you later.